Every morning, a sunset brings the promise of a new dawn, just like I became happy and inspired by my own sunshine. Namaskar everyone, I Barsa Rana, contestant number 9, born in Navratri district west, a hot plains of Tarai, and sincerely connected with Gautam Buddha in Lumbini zone. It is the platform where women can determine and build up their own confidence and prioritizing their hidden talent, scope, value, importance, and can do towards their country, nation, and make their nation proud by national and internationally. This is the platform where women can determine themselves and can build up their own confidence, hidden talent, prioritizing their important value, scope towards their nation and make their nation so proud. A way to change the people, concept, inspection, intention, perception towards in this field, and that women can also do anything, not only to birth a child and make make a history and country proud. If I get fortunate to accessing to the crown that I have been dreaming from the day I participate in Miss Grand Nepal 2021. I am determining for the tourism reforms because in this pandemic there is numerous number of increment in the tourism sector, and I will increase the women empowerment and stop the girl trafficking, as well as provide the education and good living standard to the poor people as well as children. When I was born, I came here. This is always all because of my family. Without my family or I or anyone, no one can able to do in this entire world. And what I want to say you that education what we have only there is two types of education, that is one primary and secondary. Primary means the education which we have get from our guardian. They will make us what is wrong. They will educate us what is right, what to choose, where to go. And secondary means that education which we will have about to know to this world. Well, after participating in this Miss Grand Nepal 2021, everyone expecting to win this crown. As well as I also have built up my own confidence and can say that I will also able to win this crown and make to create the history and make the Nepalese proud as well as my family too. Thank you.